What is good, y'all? It is a beautiful morning here we're in Acadia, right?
I think. I hope
Don't
so.
really know. We never drove through like a proper gate.
Dude, I was gonna say when we were driving in last night, I was gonna say not conspiracy, but I was gonna predict that we wouldn't have to go through a gate.
We drove in late last night, boiling some water, gonna make some instant coffee.
That's what we live for out here, baby. Jake's like, yo, yeah, dude, I'll have a bar if you've got it. Do we have a bar? Fit Joy, cookies and cream. Oh no, chocolate peanut butter. Grandma's lemon square. We got some vegan ones, dude, but they're chocolate mint. They're super good, and the chocolate peanut butter. These are gonna be better for like mid-hike granola bar kind of. These will be better for breakfast, I would say.
We just got on the first trail of our trip. We are on, what is it, Spring Trail out to Penobscot. Penobscot
And we're gonna see two
Mountain.
summits.
Yeah, 2 summits. So we're looking at, what was the other one? Sargent. Yeah, so Sargent and Penobscot. Oh, dude, and here's the creek. About to find the brookies, bro. Trail's looking beautiful though, so we'll keep you guys updated as we're going. This is, yeah, the start of what will be probably, I think, like 6 miles. Should be fun. So for you guys that don't know, this is where Dan thrives. He thrives in the staircases. Like if it was an Olympic event, Dan and B Hulk would be like staircase champions.
Bro, I do not have...
Basically, I mean, we're like almost at the top. It wasn't a bad trail. I'm kind of surprised all trails rated this as hard. It's just like open rock face. It's really pretty. And we got these views in the background. Views for days. Sargent Mountain, yep. We made it. Dan's nervous. It's nervous, Dan. This is dope, though. Going hyper smooth now. got Jordan Lake behind us, Jordan Pond behind us. It's beautiful. Water is stupid clear. And now we're gonna basically do this outskirt hike all the way around that side. Way down there is the building. So we just came from all the way up there down to here. And now we're gonna walk the outside of Jordan Pond, well, scouting for fish. Jordan's starting to get a little bit pissed. Somebody tell her to calm down. So basically, y'all, we just hiked for 4 hours around all of Penobscot Mountain and up onto Sargent Mountain. Came down, hiked around the outskirts of Jordan Pond, and now, because Dan's a good friend, he's gonna put up with a little bit of fishing. Dude, they'll eat again. Just keep at it. Not a massive hook set, but make sure you get them quick. There's probably a bunch in there. Oh, that seems bitey. Dan! No, he came off! Oh. Oh, so close. I guess give me one more chance. That is sketchy. Oh my god.
Art. It would. I should have done it. Alright, dog. So we got some Brussels sprouts, chickpeas, mushrooms, red potato, zucchini, jalapeno, spinach, and some cauliflower rice. And seasoned with a little garlic salt from Jake and roasted garlic and herb, and then some sriracha on top, dude. And some green onion.
Looks beautiful.
Epic. Tell them what you got, bro.
So here I got steak tips marinated in soy sauce, not really marinated, dressed in soy sauce, garlic and salt, some rice, peppers, and those green onions. We're about to dive in.
About to get it.
Starving. This moment brought to you by Folgers Classic Roast Instant Coffee Crystals.
We never told the Red Bull story.
Bro, you want to tell them the Red Bull story?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Driving from Cleveland to Boston, and Jake goes, "Yo, look," and he's like pointing to the rear view, and it's one of the Red Bull little cars.
Like the Mini Cooper.
Like the Mini Cooper with like the giant Red Bull can on top. Jake like pulls out his can and like to like he's gonna hold it out the window and show them basically, or like hold it up to the window. So I'm like, all right, dude, like I'll get it on camera. And as it drives by, he's holding up the can. It's these two girls who are driving the car, and so they drive by and they see the can and they start freaking out and like cheering and stuff. And we're like, oh, and then they're like going nuts. So then they slow down, and because they wanted to get a picture of it, so Jake twists the can so they can see it, and then we're like posing for a picture. They're snapping a photo and cheering all while driving next to each other on the highway. And then they drove off into the sunset. But we were so hyped because it was just like the coolest like mid-drive like situation that happened. And
we got like the perfect product placement. Like Dan snapped this picture so beautifully. I had Red Bull facing him, but like the Red Bull girls were in the background, and they're both, one of them's like fist pumping, the other one's like, oh my god. It was nailed the moment.
It was so high, man. Can't recreate it.